Do you know how to say this without using the word very? You will find out in this video. Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and I'm here to teach you American English. Very is a common word that you probably learned when you first learned English, and you may use it a bit too often. If you want to sound like an advanced English speaker, you should replace the word very with more advanced adjectives. Today, I'm going to teach you some adjectives to replace the word very in everyday conversations. Are you ready? Let's go. Very rich, loaded. Her new boyfriend is loaded.
You should marry that guy, he's loaded, you know.
The reason you are here is because you are loaded.
Very poor, broke. He's broke and can't afford this meal.
You don't look poor.
He's not poor, he's broke.
I'm divorced, I'm broke.
Very tired, exhausted. She is exhausted from taking care of the children all day.
I'm so exhausted.
A man is not very tired, he is exhausted.
Very hungry, starving. Can we go to dinner now? I'm starving.
Wow, I was starving.
Oh, I'm starving.
Very angry, pissed. I'm pissed that my boss hasn't given me a raise in years.
Somebody was pissed about that truck getting hijacked and the cops had nothing.
He was pissed that there were 7 of us living in such a tiny house.
Very happy, thrilled. I'm thrilled to see you here.
Well, she's thrilled to be here.
All right, fine. I'm thrilled. Okay, thrilled.
Very sad, devastated. The woman is devastated by the loss of her husband.
We're devastated.
She's devastated about Beth.
Very unhappy, miserable. The man is miserable living with his critical in-laws.
Is she miserable?
Everyone's miserable.
Very dirty, filthy. Your room is filthy. Please clean it up.
The walls are filthy.
How do you expect to keep a man in that filthy apartment?
Very clean, spotless. The kitchen was spotless after the cleaner came.
My apartment's spotless.
And this kitchen is always spotless.
Very funny. Hilarious. Everyone loves Tom because he's hilarious.
That's hilarious.
You're assuming that you're normal, which is hilarious.
Very afraid. Petrified. She is petrified of cockroaches.
Dad, I think you're petrified.
I've not been petrified.
Very pretty. Gorgeous. The winner of Miss Universe is gorgeous.
She's gorgeous, and you're gorgeous.
I think you just can't bear to let a gorgeous guy like me out of your sight.
Very ugly. Hideous. This painting is hideous.
I am hideous?
What a hideous world this is.
Very busy. Swamped. I'm swamped with work this week.
I'm sorry, I've been so swamped.
You said you were going to be swamped with work anyway.
Very good. Great. The standard features in the new car are great.
That's a great idea, Joey.
I'm sure you're doing a great job.
Tastes very good. Delicious. The food at the new ramen joint is delicious. Or sometimes we just say delish. The food at the new ramen joint is delish.
OMG, that was delish.
I am going to grab a slice of this delish pizza.
Very bad. Horrible. The accident around the corner is horrible.
It was horrible. Horrible.
But the conditions here are horrible.
Very useful. Invaluable. The students find the class invaluable.
You taught me an invaluable lesson.
This man will be invaluable to me, Major.
Very cute. Adorable. The newborn baby is adorable.
He's adorable.
You're adorable.
Very smart. Brilliant. The brilliant teacher brings out the best in her students.
He was brilliant. He was outstanding in every way.
Most people never get to see how brilliant they can be.
Very interesting. Fascinating. Have you seen this new documentary? It's fascinating.
Sounds fascinating. Fascinating theory.
Very important. Crucial. The data analysis is crucial for the success of the project.
A crucial document.
Those are true, and they're crucial.
Very excited. Pumped. I'm pumped for the new baseball season to start.
I'm pumped to hear what's in that book, buddy.
Oh my God, I'm pumped.
Very cold. Ooh. Freezing. I'm freezing without the heater.
It's freezing. Why are we walking?
Oh my God, it's freezing.
Very hot. Melting. I'm melting in this heat wave.
Now, how am I supposed to be in here saving the world if I'm melting?
I'm melting! I'm melting!
Very big. Gigantic. The whale is gigantic.
Move that gigantic cotton candy.
She has gigantic fingers.
Very small. Tiny. He's from a tiny town outside of New York.
They're like a bag of tiny diamonds. Tiny clothes, tiny footprints, tiny teeth.
Very careful. Cautious. Physicians are cautious about using the non-approved therapy on patients.
I'm just cautious.
I don't have time to be cautious.
Very smelly. Ugh. Stinky. The fish market is stinky.
Who's got the stinky feet?
Oh, it's stinky here.
So do you find this class invaluable? Leave me a comment and share it with your friends. I will see you next time. Bye.